Good morning, faculty members. All the faculty member of D.Y. Patel College of Engineering, heads of the departments, dean and vice principal and head of department. I hope you are fit and fine at your residence. Yesterday there were some important points which were discussed in our meeting at my office, and some of the head of departments were present for that. And for the sake of all, I would like to once again reiterate and repeat those points, and would like to mention you what to do for the next 30 days. We know that the fifth lockdown has extended or implemented from the 1st of June, and as far as the attendance is concerned, we know that already 5% attendance is required only into the campus, and remaining out of the 100%, 33% people will be required to report to this campus. Only 5% those names are enlisted into the soft copy or the my order which I have given to you, which was circulated to the central group as well as the HOD group. Those people are required to stay from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Otherwise, later on, other 33% people, the list which has also been circulated onto the our important group of central group of the faculty, they should be only reporting to the college. They should report me, talk to me for a minute, and then they can leave to the campus. And during this from 2nd of the June to 4th of the June, till 2nd, 3rd and 4th, we all the 33% of the faculty will be repeated, and 33%, let us say we are 33% will be repeating today. The next 30 slot of the 33% will be tomorrow. Next 33% will be on the 4th. So likewise, 100% faculty have to report to the college and go back with respect to the COVID situation is concerned. We don't want any kind of the chaos in the campus, and that's why the entries are restricted. So I am declaring it for the sake of the convenience and to avoid the confusion as far as the reporting is concerned. The sanitation process, the disinfectification process, and cleaning the laboratories, making the laboratories and your working place at a safer level. We at the college, we have formed the COVID cell in our campus, D.Y. Patel College of Engineering, which is headed by Dr. Bhagwat, Professor Bhagwat, and Dr. Sarnobat Jain sir, Professor Kalyan Bamne, and one more, Mr. Bhalera from the office. They are there, and they will be taking care about what are those things which are required as far as the material required for taking care for the entire college. A centralized COVID cell is there, and they are also the part of total 42 members are there across the campus. But from our college, there are 5 members. That's why I would like to mention it to you. So, before opening the college, the entire college, and inviting all the faculties and students, if the college starts immediately, then we have to make the preparation. That's why this COVID cell formation is there. For the sake of any emergency, information about the doctors, that has been also kept ready. Lokmanya Hospital will be the hospital which is identified, and in case any emergency or any communication or information which is required, Dr. Pandey is there from Pharmacy College. He can be contacted. His cell number is there circulated onto along with this order. Next important thing is there as far as the what to do into this 1 month period. You have done a lot of great job during the last month. All the faculty members, including the organizing committee, have participated heavily and made all the programs at a very international level very successful, and it has been appreciated across the India as well as by our own management, Honorable Colonel Joshi as well as Honorable Satish Patil sir. So DYPCOE is growing very nicely, and we want that the brand of the DYPCOE should be such that whenever the admissions starts happening, the student should give the first choice to the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, and it is our responsibility of all the faculty members, all head of department, principal, vice principal, and all the deans. They are the stakeholder who will build the name of the college. And here, let us come together and build the value of the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. And hence, even though we don't know at what point of time the new session will start, but during this, I will be requesting to all heads of the department to ensure that the quality videos of the whatever the subject that they will be taking into the next semester, those subjects, for that subject, the videos need to be prepared. I am sure that you might have prepared many videos of your lectures during the last 60 days. But now, these videos will be prepared for the subject that you will be taking for the next year. Let us say, in one subject there are 6 units, and in a 6 unit there are again 4-5 sub-unit. So you are requested to create the content for those subsections. It means that for one subject, 6 unit and 5 sub-unit in each, so approximately 6 multiplied by 5, that is 30 videos, or maybe the tutorial video can be created to make this online educations very effective. Because we do have a 1 month time, let us create and build it along with the assessment remained in the campus. Assessment is there. Some papers need to be evaluated, and for that I request everybody to contribute for the assessment. Dr. Devadas will be giving the information about that in a day or two. Moment the message is received from the SPPU, in what way the complete grading system has to be implemented. The assessment process, because as you know that final year examinations of this BE final year examinations of all department now has been cancelled. But still, as far as the assessment is concerned, that is still yet not received, the guidelines. So we have to receive the assessment guideline later on. Immediately we have to make the their assessment sheet ready and send to the university for the further processing. So I am sure that these were the important guidelines as far as the content development, tutorial development, and care to be taken in the campus as a COVID cell formation, and the attendance and physical attendance showing and coming into the campus. These are. Lastly, I would like to say that those would like to take care for this health as far as this into the pandemic situation, in the COVID situations, the medicine can be made available. Arsenic medicine, homeopathic medicine can be made available. If you require the need of that medicine, please let us know. That can be made available to all with a very optimum minimal cost. So with this, I request you to go ahead with the full enthusiasm and vigor, and please follow the guidelines given at the from the principal desk. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Dr. Vijay Vadai.